Hello kids, welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. So kids, today our topic is number names from 180 to 190. So kids, let's learn with me. 181 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 EIGHTY 80 ONE 1 181 182 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 EIGHTY 80 TWO 2 182 183 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 EIGHTY 80 3 THREE 3 183 184 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 EIGHTY 80 FOUR 4 184 185 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 EIGHTY 80 FIVE 5 185 186 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 EIGHTY 80 SIX 6 186 187 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 EIGHTY 80 SEVEN 7 187 188 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 EIGHTY 80 EIGHT 8 188 189 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 EIGHTY 80 NINE 9 189 190 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 NINETY 90 190. So kids, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel.